welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. This review is being brought to you today by pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I am going to show you this adorable new style for 2022 by Margu. This is Katie, and this beautiful brunette is 7H. More on her in just a minute. Let's start talking about Katie. Oh my gosh, is this not the cutest little style? What a cute, easy little spring and summer style this is. So easy to wear, pretty much just right out of the box. Plop her on, get your part ready, and she's good to go. She is just absolutely adorable, and this highlighted brunette is very, very pretty on her. So I'm gonna do a turn, let you see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specs and stuff. So here she is from the front. Here's my left. She's so cute. I love how she's stacked in the back, but she's not like real big and poofy, you know? Here's the back. The stacking is so cute. My right. And then back to the front. Okay, so Katie is a lace front, temple to temple, and a left monopart. So we'll take a look at that lace front. Those knots look so good. They look really, really nice, very natural. And then here is her part. Looks very nice too. I've got great coverage. This is an average size wig, so there's a little bit of extra room on my petite head, but not a lot. She fits great ear to ear, forehead to nape. There's some extra room, and there's a little extra in the circumference. So, but if you're petite, I think this is a brand that you could easily wear. So, okay, so let's do her measurements. So for her bang, she is 4.25 inches. She has 4-inch to 6.5-inch sides. She is 6.5 inches back here from the crown, and her nape is 1.75 inches. Really cute. So the style has really great movement. It's just real cute to fluff up if you want to, or you can smooth it down. I'm not really feeling perma-tease. We'll examine closer when I take it off, but I mean, I don't feel a lot of tease in this. This is just, it's a very natural density, low density, just looks really, really chic and really, really cute. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, so here's the part. Looks good, nice appearance of scalp up there. So we'll look at the interior here. Okay, so that part, it's really nice. That left mono part goes all the way back to the crown, so it looks very natural, makes the hair lay very naturally on top of your head. So she has this temple to temple lace front, extends down onto the ear tabs, which really gives you a nice, appearance of that hair. Looks like it's growing right out of your scalp all the way across your forehead. Really nice. So she's got some closed lace here. I'm not feeling perma-tease. If there is some, it's so minimal I can't find it. So she's got this soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal so that you can shape that around your face. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has Velcro adjusters, which I just love. And I didn't have to bring the adjusters. I think I could bring them in just a tad for my petite head, but I'm comfortable doing the review without bringing them in. And then she has an extended felt nape, which is very soft. I love an extended nape. It just makes the wig lay down so nicely. And then there's plenty of stretch in the cap and plenty of stretch in the circumference as well. Hold on, let me get that. Yeah, so really nice. I think this will accommodate a lot of different head sizes because it's fitting my petite head really nicely as well. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful brunette. This is 7H. 7H is one of my favorites by Margu. I have tried all of their brunettes several times. And honestly, I love all of them, but I just really, really love the highlight that's in this one. I love the color and love the highlight in this one. So 7H is described as a chestnut brown with caramel highlights. And that's what I like. I like that that's a caramely highlight going through there. I would definitely say it's a warm color, neutral to warm. It's not super warm, like super gold or anything, but it's just a very nice, natural brunette. Just looks like the way my hair used to look when I used to highlight my hair, when I had my hair. Back in the good old days, but I think the good old days are now wearing wigs, so. So really pretty. The lights are picking up that highlight really nice. And we'll take it outside and take a look too. So here we are with just the room lighting. So you can still see that pretty caramel highlight without so much reflection from the bright light. Really cute. The cut in the back is adorable. Okay, let's look at her outside. Okay, let's look at styling and stuff for her. So one way that you can style her is put her behind the ears, and she looks really chic and cute like that too. So glasses are going to be super easy, no problem. Easy peasy. Go up on your head, so your glasses, your sunglasses, whatever. Very easy. She's super cute with a headband. And that bang is just going to want to, you know, stay right there with partial forehead coverage, which is nice. That looks so cute. And then of course you could just stick the headband in, tie a scarf, whatever you want to do. So cute. She doesn't have the length, of course, for like half up, half down, but you could just pin her back, you know, back behind the ear if you wanted to on both sides, and that would be cute with a little claw clip. And then she has great lace front. So anytime, you know, you could pull back just some of the hair, or you could pull back this whole lace front. The lace front extends down to here. So, you know, you have lots of options for off the face styling. So, and you could, you know, twist, that would look really cute. So she's just adorable. I think you could also, you know, put in some styling creme and style her away from the face if you wanted to a little bit. So she just has lots of options. She is so adorable. I just love this little style, so cute. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information down below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.